Even though Suzuki hasn't officially announced it would manufacture the 2025 Jimny Sierra Pickup 4x4, the design has created a lot of excitement. The information that has leaked out is as follows. Idea or actuality? An example of Suzuki's design philosophy, the Jimny Sierra Pickup was unveiled at the Tokyo Auto Salon in 2025. Whether it will go into production has not been officially confirmed yet. Future concept and characteristics. The concept pickup takes stylistic cues from the boxy, retro-inspired Jimny Sierra and includes a shortened cabin with perhaps only 2 seats. In its place is an open-bed cargo area, which is ideal for transporting equipment on off-road excursions, rather than the conventional boot space. According to the rumors, there are a lot of visual improvements over the regular Jimny Sierra, such as with a new grille design that prominently features Suzuki branding, grille and headlight embellishments that match in color, wheels reminiscent of yesteryear paired with tough off-road rubber, enhanced front bumper with spotlights and tow hooks, decorative faux wood paneling around the perimeter, powertrain and efficiency. Limited information has led many to speculate that it will keep the Jimny Sierra's 1.5-liter engine, which produces 75 kilowatts of powerful off-road performance in a lightweight and agile package. Intended readers. For those who value off-road prowess and a practical cargo bed over passenger capacity, Jimny Sierra Pickup has you covered. In sum, off-road fans are enthralled by the 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra Pickup 4x4, a concept that turns heads. Despite the lack of confirmation on its manufacturing status, it showcases Suzuki's ability to bring a unique and intriguing addition to the compact pickup truck market.